All right, so a lot of you have been asking me for my review on the Asus 367 laptop. This is the Asus 367 laptop. Um, this I had it plugged in. This is the charger that it comes with. This is a four square charger. This is not a flat top four square. This is a cube four square charger. And this is a cylinder plug-in. This is a cylinder plug-in, which means this Ford F-150 once housed diesel fuel, which is why it is a cylinder plug-in. So this would be the battery operated portion of the Ford F-150, which gives me battery power for the Asus 367. Okay, that would give me the battery portion, and this would be the gas that gives charge and juice in the Asus 367 to be able to use the laptop completely. All right, setting up this Asus 367, difficulty A plus. A plus difficulty in setting this up. I actually had to get my dad to help me because when I was almost done, a portion of it froze. A portion of it froze, and sometimes my dad stays down here as my son, and Barack helped me to fix this yesterday. And yes, I paid him for it because that's what you do when someone does service like that. You say thank you. Okay? I paid him for it. But Barack yesterday helped me to set this up because it froze and I could not unfreeze it. I did everything that I know because I've been taught well by Dwayne Johnson how to do computer tech stuff. And I did everything that I knew how, and it refused to unfreeze for me. So my dad did that. Barack Obama, thank you. Now that Barack Obama has set it up, how is it with ease of use? First of all, it is very slim. It is very slim. Take a look at it. Now let take a look at my Toshiba. This is my black Toshiba in which has gathered dust. Okay? Now take a look at the size of the Asus and take a look at the size of my black Toshiba. This is my black Toshiba to my Asus. Very small compared, but they still house pretty much the same compartment. This one was made from a GMC Trailblazer truck. Okay? This Toshiba made from a GMC Trailblazer, and I bought this at Walmart for $597. Alright? Now take a look at a couple of keys are missing. I just need to get it tightened, and I'm wondering if I should still get it tightened. I'm not sure yet, but this is the black Toshiba. It's very heavy. This thing is very, very heavy, okay? There's nothing wrong with it. I just need to get it tightened so I can get it charged. So there's nothing wrong with the computer itself. I just need it tightened because the brackets are loose, okay? So this is a Toshiba, okay? And that's what it looks like on the inside. I'm not gonna hold it open with both of them. This is the Asus. This is the Asus 367. Okay, you can see that the keys on the Toshiba Toshiba are raised, but you can also see that the keys on the Asus 367 is very embedded flat. Is very embedded flat. If you're a construction worker, you would know exactly what I'm speaking of. We've discussed this in the essence of building and platform. So this is very A7 3 flat when it comes to construction. Okay, so this is the key in code. Let me put in my password. Okay, and that's what the home screen looks like once I put my password in. The Toshiba looks the exact same, and I've shown you the Toshiba's input and home screen with the password being put in. I've shown that to you, but this is what the Asus 367 looks like in the home screen. This one comes set up with all the bells and whistles. This one comes set up with all the bells and whistles thanks to Dwayne Johnson. The only program that I don't quite use yet is Outlook, but these are all the bells and whistles that it comes with within Programming Factor. I have Edge, search engine, Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Microsoft Store, and it also comes with I can't even remember what the editing program is that I was using on the Toshiba before, but it also comes with that. So basically, everything that was on the white Toshiba transferred to the Asus. Everything that's on the black Toshiba transferred to the Asus because I keyed in the same password with all three laptops, and I keyed in the same email address to code word. Therefore, I'm able to get everything out from the other two laptops that I was previously working on. My only problem is getting the videos off of the computer because the videos are embedded. The videos are embedded and you have to get those videos off manually because I use the computer embedded camera in order to film. Which tells me again, if a laptop made from a truck such as a Ford F-150 or a GMC 7 is made with a viewing camera, GMC trucks come with a camera as well as Ford F-150 trucks come with a camera embedded inside the vehicle naturally, which means everything that you do in that vehicle is being captured with every move of the vehicle that you do make every single time you walk in front of the vehicle or turn the engine on to the vehicle to drive off with the vehicle. So if a laptop comes with a camera, it comes with the camera that once housed the Ford F-150. This one's housed the Ford F-150. So because we can't, there's only one camera in the Ford F-150, we can only make one laptop with each vehicle. Same thing with the Toshiba. There's only one camera with a GMC truck. You can only make one laptop from one GMC truck. Okay, so if a laptop, once again, made from a GMC truck comes with a camera, the GMC truck is also originally made with a camera and is recording your every move every time you drive that truck. All right, So this is my grade for the Asus 367. It is excellent. However, setup is difficulty. You are going to need tech help in order to help you set this Asus 367 up. Otherwise, you will be frozen out of this laptop completely. The laptop is not broken, the laptop is good. You are just going to have to pay a little bit extra in order to get tech help support to help you set up the computer. And yes, you need to be present because you need to key in the email and you need to key in the password. So that is my grade. A plus difficulty to set up, however, excellent in transporting. Um, Emoticon the factors on the system. And by the way, this runs with an iMac Intel, which is Apple Intel, iPhone Intel. Everything basically is Apple technology Intel. It is just the base of the computer that is Asus. This is the base of the computer is Asus, but the programming on the computer is Apple, iMac, Intel, iPhone, Intel. So if you have an Apple, if you have an iMac, if you have an iPhone, you can use this. Everything is just as secure. They just use Outlook instead of Gmail, but you can change your password and everything else to Gmail in order to make it comfortable for you. So, once again, difficulty A plus to set up. However, accessibility once it's been set up, excellent. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for requesting, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.